Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Carscope, Car Management and MPG app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Carscope is a car management app designed to help vehicle owners track, monitor, and optimize their cars efficiently. The app provides tools to log fuel consumption, calculate miles per gallon, MPG, record maintenance and service history, and monitor overall vehicle performance. Users can set reminders for regular servicing, view detailed reports, and organize all vehicle-related data in one place, making car management convenient and streamlined. Let's discuss how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Carscope's clean interface and the ability to quickly track fuel efficiency and maintenance schedules. The app's reminders and reporting tools help car owners stay on top of servicing, while performance monitoring features ensure better awareness of vehicle health. Its ability to manage multiple vehicles is also a useful feature for families or small fleet owners. However, the app does have some limitations. Advanced analytics for detailed performance insights can be limited, and new users may face a small learning curve while setting up all vehicle data. While the free version provides essential tracking, accessing all premium features and detailed reports may require a subscription. In summary, the Carscope app may be worth using if you want to track fuel efficiency, maintain your car effectively, and keep all vehicle information organized in one place. However, if you need advanced analytics or prefer completely free tools, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.